Okay, my name is Alvaro Yaquis. I play for AC Diabli. It's a club, a master over 35. And that's our first victory for the Master Cup. We move the ball around. We have a good opportunities, good chance, and we score. The guys is Mike, which one they play for us for a long time. He played professional in South America, and he's a good striker. And the other one was a nice finish. Gino, another striker. And we have a couple chances, I think like 5-6 chances, and we put 2 in the net. Mike is a really good keeper, have a good experience, and it's really firm under the 3 posts, no? We have a good team, no? But like I said, it's 11 against 11, and then sometimes you have a bad day, and I think that's what happened. Either way, I think both teams, they play good, and we have the chances and we put it in, no?